Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video tutorial for Maverick Render. In this tutorial, we are going to introduce the use of keyframes to move objects and lights within Maverick. We are going to select our teapot and click on our Move tool, which has been revamped for this version. At the bottom, we have three sections where we will find the tools, the snap options, and the motion options, which are the ones we are going to use. If we click on the Set Animation Key button, we will add a keyframe for the current position of the teapot. Now we will always be in auto key mode for any movement we make with the teapot. We go to frame 60 and move the teapot, and we automatically see how a keyframe is created with that position. By scrubbing, we will be able to see the animation. If we now go to a middle frame and move the teapot along the Z-axis, we will see another keyframe added to the timeline. If we use the keyframe mode and select one, we will see the easing options we have added in this version. Let's make some changes so you can see the effect of ease in and ease out. Now the movement starts slow, stops in the middle, and ends slow as well. By pressing the Shift key and dragging, you can duplicate any keyframe. You can also delete keyframes whenever you need from the context menu. Remember to use the play button to check how the animation is going. One interesting thing you can also do is add a keyframe on the actual path that the animation already has. To do this, you go to the frame you want, and from the Move tool you do another Set Animation Key. Now you can move these keyframes, and if you space out the last keyframe, you can create a deceleration effect. Obviously, you can also do more transformations like scaling or rotating. And all this keyframe animation can be combined with the motion controllers you already know. Here you see how the teapot rotates while following the keyframe animation. In general, the recommendation is to use motion controllers for their versatility and easy adjustment. Another very interesting use that comes from using keyframes is to move and position lights easily. We are going to create a light using Normalight. We click on the teapot and we'll create a light focused on that point. We are going to turn off the IBL so we can clearly see the effect of the light. Now we go to the Move tool panel, and in Motion we do Set Animation Key, adding a keyframe for the light in this position. We go to frame 60 and reactivate Normalight to change the position of the light. Now we have created another keyframe in this position. If we go to a middle frame, we can add another keyframe and easily and interactively define the movement of the light. This way of animating will be very useful for your product animations. We will see examples in more depth in upcoming videos. Best regards and see you next time.